दोनों साथ में
बहुत आगे जाता है अलग है मैडम सोलो 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 मलेगा जी लाइट 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 मलेगा मैडम सेंटर सामने
मिलिंद बुरा है उसको मिलिंद बात करना यहाँ सामने लाइट ले
मलेगा मैम
समोर
मलेगा
हो गया
एक साथ में रुकना इधर ग्रुप सेंटर वन सेकंड यार मस्त है मुझे मलेगा जी लुक गया मलेगा मैम यस नाइस लुक मलेगा मैडम एकदम झकास दुबरा जी यहाँ पर दुबरा जी मलेगा मैडम यहाँ पर दुबरा जी दुबरा मलेगा मलेगा मैम
टेबल आगे लो
टेबल आगे लो टेबल आगे लो
टेबल आगे आगे और आगे
हाँ कर रही हूँ
राइट मत जाओ
इधर इधर
बस बस अरे ऐसा कर तो हो गया
थैंक यू आइए बाइक
Namrata, I don't think I'm being biased, but this was the best show for me. On Sone Pe Suhaga, we had Malaika and we had Cobra. And importantly, we have RLan backing our soul. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you again for being here. Hemant sir, welcome back to our center stage. I want you to tell us about this association with Namrata, and then I'm going to hand the mic to Namrata to talk about the collection, and then a little bit on why you're here, why you walked the run for Namrata, and what this movie means to you all. And it's also the 25th year of Lakme, and Malaika and Roy have a very long relationship, so we'd love to hear about that.
आप सभी यहाँ पे आ
आप
जाइए
लोग थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए, closer to the mics.
Yeah, good evening. First of all, incredible, excellent collection.
Thank you.
This is something, really surprised us. Excellent. And I can easily see the kind of work which has gone, to put together this kind of collection. And we are very happy to collaborate from Reliance with Namrata to put together this kind of collection. We have used RLan fabric, different types, close to 50 plus varieties of the fabrics to put together this kind of collection. And just to mention here that these fabrics are sustainable in nature. They are produced out of post-consumer PET bottles. Reliance is committed to recycling. We recycle 2.5 billion bottles on an annual basis. We are growing. We will put together another capacity to go up to 5 billion bottle recycling on an annual basis. So lots of technology, lots of process re-engineering to put together this kind of very, very innovative, functional performance fabric in place to help this kind of collections to come in. This kind of work, I'm sure Namrata will inspire many others and will create a kind of ripple in the society and in the industry. That's what we need actually, because all these activities put together, I'm sure will be able to contribute to reduction in the landfill waste, cut down on the carbon emission, and this will make our planet cleaner and greener. So from Reliance side, we are committed. we will work together with the stakeholders to make sure we contribute and we effectively contribute meaningfully in the society to serve this purpose, to make our planet cleaner and greener for the next generation to come. Thank you very much.
A bit about the collection, the association.
First of all, I want to thank the RISE team, our Elan team, JC, Mr. Sethi for giving me this opportunity. And this was not a collection for me, this was homecoming for me. I love athleisure, I live in athleisure, so thank you. And you know, the collection, as it's called, Athleisure Redefined, was about elevated activewear that goes from the gym to the lounge to your airport look. And the outfit that Malaika has is from their Star Fabric Green Gold, I even know that, which is made from recycled PET bottles. That's the fabric. Yes, that entire outfit that you have on is made from green gold, the Star Fabric, which is made from recycled PET bottles. So I've enjoyed working on this collection, and I want to thank Malaika. She's been my fitness role model for many, many, many years. So thank you. No one fitted this look better than you. And here, Cobra, who opened the show, is Sisterhood of Kilimanjaro. We've climbed Kilimanjaro, and that's why she opened this show, because she was the perfect person to open the show. So thank you, and
I think lots of firsts over here. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme, that's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm walking with Koobs, so that's also great.
I love that. Thank you, Mala.
Thank you so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I've done and I've walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love, and I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Sethi, I love you. You know that.
My true cheerleader.
Thank you so much for that. I mean, really, like, मेरी जान में जान आ गई when I was like walking for the second time and I could just hear Mr. Sethi go like, yes, Cobra, yes, and thank you so much for cheering so many wonderful designers, for giving us all a platform. Thank you so much, Reliance, for thinking so much ahead in terms of nature and sustainability. And oh my God, now that I know what I'm wearing, I feel like I'm a genie in a bottle or something. Like, this is so cool. It's my first time ever, as Mala said, like, there's so many firsts. It's my first time ever to walk, to open the show, and to feel so comfortable. I think the last few years we've been talking about how athleisure has become like the stay, feel good fashion statement, and today your collection embodied all of that and more. And now I'm just thinking how I'm going to take these clothes, look this fashionable up in the mountains when we're like struggling.
No, we can do this every time we come out of yoga.
Yeah, and you know, it is not like new for like Mala and me to be like, oh nice, where's that one from? So thank you so much for setting the tone for so many years. Thank you for being my friend and my comrade doing yoga. Thank you for like directing so many of us towards fitness, and here we are celebrating athleisure at its best. So thank you everyone for coming. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
काम भूल गया
What we're expecting next time, our Elan will be more innovative, more than what they've done. I think the stilettos need to go, and they need to do something about shoes as well. So I was speaking to many of them, they will definitely come up with a fiber for that.
Actually, we
Can I have a mic?
Yes, yes. Mic. कौन सा mic? इधर रखा है.
Only because you can't go to Kilimanjaro.
He's still at home. Yes. No, we can't go to Kilimanjaro.
actually probably you're sitting in some of our meetings in Reliance. So because we exactly are doing that, we have a product which goes as a shoe upper.
Fantastic.
It's made of the products that we have, and this exactly will happen in the next event.
But I really think this was a fantastic.
Yay, everybody.
बोला था ही नहीं जनता बैठ जाओ. जब हो रहा तब तुम लोग ने
Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Malaika ji.
So good to see you too, mate.
परी
Done here,
आता
then
मैंने
Okay, done. Okay, yeah.
So good to see you, ma'am. जिस तरह से लैक्मे पे आपने स्टार्ट किया, शो स्टॉपर बनी, how is the experience all? Please share.
शो ओपनर भी होता है पता है हमने शो स्टार्ट ही कर लिया मतलब इट्स अमेजिंग मैन आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट सच अ फैंटास्टिक आउटफिट राइट टू स्टार्ट it was bright, it was aplomb, it was energy, and that's what I think athleisure should be. And I am so glad I was able to open wearing that outfit for Namrata Joshi Pura. So thank you.
Tell us about the collection and all. How do you like it personally?
I think it's super comfortable. Like अभी ये थोड़ा गर्मी है guys, that's the truth. But what an outfit! Like can you imagine just like being chill, wearing this, feeling sexy, getting into a plane, traveling wherever. I think that's the beauty of athleisure. It's comfortable, it's fashion, and it's so much style and oomph. And I think everyone's come together. Most importantly, all the outfits are made out of sustainable fashion and sustainable fabric, created by recycling PET bottles. So that's pretty awesome.
एयरपोर्ट लुक दिखाई दे रहा है.
आप फिर आना और मेरा एयरपोर्ट लुक आप ही लेना मैडम. हाँ ठीक है, बाय.
कोई चैलेंजिंग रहता है कभी ऐसे जब आप बाहर जा रहे हो पेप्स आपको कवर करते चैलेंजिंग रहता है कि क्या पहनना
नहीं यार, यू शुड ऑलवेज बी कंफर्टेबल. आप प्लेन ले रहे हो, जंग लड़ने नहीं जा रहे हो, प्लेन में जा रहे हो. No, I was very, very confident, and thank you because everyone in the audience is so amazing, and everyone was cheering, and the paps were all there. It was amazing. So yeah, thank you.
And lastly, interest from your side and Sikandar so how excited?
Dude, it's Bhai's film, yeah. Bhaijan. I'm really excited for Sikandar. And it's going to be fun to have all of us go back into the cinemas and watch a film again. So I'm looking forward to that. And no, I haven't watched the trailer yet, yaar. मैं packing कर रही थी और रैंप पे चलने की तैयारी कर रही
anything coming up from your side? Any?
हूँ. Very soon, kids.
Okay.
Lastly, you want to say something for your lovely audience?
I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, tell us something about the outfit and tell us something about the best part of Lakme Fashion Week because it has just completed 25 years.
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons. So it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have worked for Namrata Joshi Pura. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Rilan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been super.
मोस्टली हमने आपको ट्रेडिशनल में वर्क करते ज़्यादा देखा लेकिन इस बार काफ़ी अलग था वर्क काफ़ी अलग था आउटफिट काफ़ी अलग था इसके बारे में
जी आई थिंक काफ़ी इंडियन अटायर में पहले मैंने वॉक किया. आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना है. सो येस इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट. बहुत ही कमाल का शो था.
Malaika, your Instagram bio speaks about food, fashion and fitness. Which comes first in the order? Which F comes first and how do you rate it?
My 3 favorite Fs, so yeah, all of them.
Which is most important for you out of the three?
How can I live with any one of them, without any one of them? I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times.
And what do you think about the growing industry when it comes to the athleisure?
I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think Athleisure is here to stay.
Ma'am, you are a role model, you are a fitness icon. So जो newcomers हैं जो रैम करना चाहते हैं, नर्वस फील करते हैं, उनके लिए कोई अगर आपने तरफ से
नर्वस, मैं भी मुझे नर्वस अभी भी फील होता है. हाँ हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स वो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं जाती.
Who's your role model?
Who's my role model? My mother. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
ऊपर 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 थोड़ा ऊपर, अरे जाओ ना ऊपर.
I'm Genghis Khan, girl, I come and come. Breathe, 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 breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Breathe, 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 breathe.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aurilan presents Namrata Joshipura.
यहाँ पे राइट में कभी लुक सेंटर कैमरा वेट वन मोर लुक सेंटर कविता जी मैम राइट अरे बूम गिरेगा भाई
अरे कौन है ये भाई अब कोई भी तुम नहीं हिलाएगा पहले बोल देगी
वो लाइट बराबर लुक सेंटर यहाँ पे
स्प्लिट लीला की
अरे काय भूमि लोग सेंटर राइट सेंटर नहीं मिला अरे यहाँ पे नाइस कलेक्शन सर
Hello. Jasprit is also coming and then we start. Okay. अभी 2 मिनट में शुरू करें जसप्रीत आएंगे फिर शुरू करेंगे
भूमि जी चलो पूछो यार चलते हैं मजनू
You're too funny.
रोल मैम
अरे ऐसे कैसे
ज्वाइन कर लेंगे मैम आज
As always, Amit, what a spectacular show. What a spectacular show. And we have just mentioned the heads of Tableau, just been a little bit about today, nothing, the association. Amit, then a little bit about your collection. We'd love to know what you're wearing, what you like about it.
I think we'll start with the designer and then we'll come to, because it's his stage. So, no, please. No.
Thank you. Overwhelmed right now, but I think, Noor, like you rightly said, a great show is a combination of a lot of greats that come together to make something exciting. I think right from the platform of FDCI and Lakme coming together, joining forces, with a brand like Nothing, which is of course a pioneer in technology, and an iconic person like Bhumi, epitomizing the age-old textile Banarsi, but yet giving it her own life and spin to it. I think today really closes this show on a very wonderful note. Thank you, Jasprit. I always tell you I'm indebted to your support. I can do what I do with your love and Bhumi, for reviving and loving a textile that's always been loved, but to give it a new lease of life, just like every single actor, every single character you portrayed and breathed another life into it, today shall always be an indelible memory.
Oh, so, actually one of the phones actually, fell close to, we have some international guests who came in today. Okay, one of the phones fell close to them. Okay, and they spent half the time looking at the phone and wondering what beautiful design this is, as they spent, looking at your, show as well. I think, Amit, you've always pushed the boundaries of what we call fashion. Okay, and certainly, this collaboration is something that we thought was an organic fit. In fact, just for your reference, with the Nothing team, we didn't have a conversation to say it could be X designer versus Y designer versus Z designer. It was you, because I think your design and what Nothing stands for, and the Nothing tree is, with this beautiful glyph design, is something that, where the design aesthetics marry as well. The work that you've done in technology, with your clothing, sometimes it's just impossible to understand how you put all of this together. And that's something that, whenever there are brands that look for people who are going forward in fashion and technology, I think that becomes a great, let's say, marriage. And we are glad we have enabled that. We'll speak a little more about the collaboration, but I think first we'll just hear from Bhumi, who's always fantastic. I think one of the things that we love about Bhumi is that generally when we have a conversation around sustainability, okay, it's not a force fit. She genuinely believes in it. She's supported us with the Circular Design Challenge in the past, and we always appreciate having her here. So maybe you can just put in a few words about Amit, what you felt. Okay, and yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to start by saying that I'm a fan of your work. I remember the first time I wore something created by you. It was this beautiful metallic gown, and I was like, this is so incredible. I was like, this is so new, this is so disruptive. And Amit, I think, was so phenomenal. What I'm wearing today is this beautiful corset made out of repurposed Banarasi saris. I am a huge champion of sustainable fashion. I love thrifting, I love vintage, and what I love about what you are trying to do is that you're trying to revive textile and you're trying to put it into everyday clothes. And I loved what you did with the collection. I feel like what I'm wearing today is an extension of me. It's powerful, it's sexy, it's feminine, and makes you feel like I can take over the world. And thank you so much. LFW, congratulations. It's going to be a big year, 25 years. And I remember as a child, I'd be so enamored by all your fashion events. And I feel really cool that, I've gotten multiple chances to be a part of it. So congratulations. And thank you so much for making me a part of your show today. It was so special.
Everything just came together absolutely well. We are very glad, to have both of you here, today, and we'll open it up for a few questions as well.
भूमि जी, सबसे पहले आप अपने आउटफिट के बारे में बताइए, कैसा है आउटफिट और लैक्मे फैशन वीक को इतना खास क्या बताता है?
I think 25 साल हो गए हैं लैक्मे फैशन वीक के. It's truly a milestone year for them, and I'm really thrilled कि उनके 25वें साल में मैंने अमित के साथ collaborate किया. I'm a very big fan of his work. He genuinely is very disruptive in his thinking. और मुझे आज जो मैंने पहना है एक beautiful corset with a tie. I love the styling as well. I have to tell you this. I love how you guys have put it together. This corset ये repurposed बनारसी साड़ी का बना हुआ corset है. जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा कूल लगता है. आई थिंक whatever work अमित ने अपनी बनारसी साड़ियों के साथ किया है, it's always been a standout. Every piece has been spoken about so much, and I'm very confident this one would be spoken about as well. And I think the world is going towards sustainable fashion, and he really epitomizes it.
Thank you.
भूमि जी, फोन के उसमें और आपके उसमें क्या सिमिलरिटी?
हाँ,
फोन नथिंग का फोन के उसमें ये डिजाइन की गई है, तो आपको क्या सिमिलरिटी?
I think
नथिंग के फोन में
आई थिंक वो भी एक बहुत ही डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिज़ाइन है, मैं भी एक डिस्ट्रप्टिव इंसान हूँ. आई थिंक दैट वुड बी द सिमिलरिटी.
I think can I answer for you?
Please.
I think एक फ़ोन का काम ये होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू दो इंसानों को जोड़े. I think Bhumi does that beautifully. I think through her skill, which is I think a technical skill mixed with emotion, she brings I think the human race together. And I think that is the similarity I find between the phone and her. The color palette was, of course, a lot of neutrals in the collection because I think as a classic wardrobe, you definitely cannot let go of neutrals from your wardrobe. But with, of course, definitely more festive colors that quintessentially work for the Indian skin tone. I think the aspect of the Banarsi, which comes in heritage colors, mixed with a lot of industrial material, was the palette of the collection.
भूमि जी, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आए थे तो अगर आपके फैशन की बात करें या फिर फिटनेस की बात करें, जो आपका कैरेक्टर था काफ़ी अलग था और अब जो देख रहे काफ़ी अलग ट्रांजिशन हुआ है, तो इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए? कितना ज़रूरी होता है लाइफ में एक ट्रांजिशन लेना, क्योंकि काफ़ी आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनका काफ़ी अलग ही चेंजेस आ गए।
मैम एक्चुअली मैं ना किरदार टू किरदार चेंज होती हूँ। हो सकता है अगले 6 महीनों में कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर आए जिसलिए मैं ऐसी ना दिखूँ, तो आप इससे यूज टू मत होना। आई एम एन एक्टर फर्स्ट। मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैशनेट हूँ अबाउट व्हाट आई डू एंड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई कि मैं अपने आप को सिर्फ इंटरनली नहीं एक्सटर्नली भी कैरेक्टर के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म करूँ। सो आई बिन लाइक दिस बिकॉज देयर वर 2 pieces ऑफ कॉन्टेंट दैट आई वॉज डूइंग जहाँ पे वो किरदार ऐसा लगता था, तो इसलिए भूमि अभी ऐसी लग रही है, चेंज हो सकती है वो।
मेरे हस्बैंड की जूली तो हमने देख लिया, आगे क्या आगे धमाका?
आगे रॉयल्स आ रहा है। आई डोंट थिंक डेट आउट है तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती।
हिंट दे दीजिए।
नहीं, वो जल्दी आ रहा है लेकिन। थैंक यू।
मैम ईद आ रही है, ईद की कोई विशेष दे दीजिए।
जी सबको बहुत 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 ज़्यादा ईद मुबारक। जी हम सब बहुत एक्साइटेड है। थैंक यू।
दादा बैठो ना, भाई बैठो बैठो।